Okay, in our last video we talked about integrating third-party sites, and so in this one I want to go ahead and install the WordPress and MailerLite integration. So I'm just going to click on Try It Out, and that will bring up a page for us with instructions. I prefer the setup method number 1, and what this widget does is it's a WordPress widget. It puts it in there for you with MailerLite, and you can pop in forms that you've created, your web forms, or you can create new ones. You can do either one. So I'm going to log into my WordPress admin panel. Then I'm going to go to Plugins, and I'm going to add a new one. I'm going to search for MailerLite, and then I'm going to install and activate the plugin. So I'm already in my dashboard here for Ruse Rub. So I'm on the plugin screen. And I'm going to click at the top here on plugins and say add new. It's going to pull up lots of plugins, but I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to type in MailerLite. And this is most likely the one that you're going to want to use. This is what I have on my other site. This is your integration here. But I have WooCommerce on this site, so I'm going to do the WooCommerce MailerLite plugin. I'm just going to click, it's the same process. So I'm going to click Install now. And then I'm going to activate. And you see I had already installed this one prior to getting WooCommerce. So now that is in my list of plugins. If I scroll down to WooCommerce, you see the WooCommerce MailerLite integration. So that is all set. And if you do the first integration that I showed you, you're going to get this when you're on your dashboard. You're going to see the MailerLite integration here. This is my other website, and I do use the first plugin that I told you about. So I can choose sign up forms and settings. So wherever you are, if you're doing a new post, and you're typing along, doing a new blog post or adding a new recipe, when you're typing here in your text, you'll see the little green. This is add a MailerLite sign-up form. So I may say, check out this great offer. And then I can pop here, and I can do a new embedded sign-up form, or I can add shortcode. So it's just added my general form in there. So if you preview, that's just the general form there. So that was very easy and quick. You just do one click and you can have multiple sign-up forms and choose which one you want to use. So a nice little integration to have. That way you're not jumping back and forth from your blog post that you're working on and then jump over to MailerLite to create a new one and grab the embed code. You can just simply put the short code in that way.